Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to pair your DJI Mic Mini with the iPhone 17. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their DJI Mic Mini. And so essentially what you need to do is that your DJI Mic Mini is going to come with a Type-C adapter for the transmitter. So unfortunately, I can't show you that transmitter right now because it's connected to my iPhone. But once you connect that transmitter to the receiver, you can plug in the Type-C cable into your iPhone 17. And then once you take out both devices, which means the mic and the transmitter, you should see a solid green light turn on. So this is transmitter number 2. So the light on this transmitter you can see here is a solid green. And underneath the number 2 on the receiver, it's also saying a number 2. So just make sure that the green lights are solid green. And that is essentially how you connect your DJI Mic Mini to your iPhone 17. Additionally, if you want to make sure that you're using the correct input, you can go into settings, then go into sounds and haptics. And underneath input, there should be an option where you can see that it's the iPhone input or it's a DJI Mic Mini input. Just make sure that you're using the DJI Mic Mini input. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.